Hello everyone, I'm Rich Noonan for Best of the Best Television, a program in which we travel all over America in search of our nation's best businesses. And we have found one of them today. Today on Best of the Best, the story of Siding and Windows Group. Congratulations again to the entire team at Siding and Windows Group serving Chicagoland on this national honor from Best of the Best, and for being one of the few companies in America to win back-to-back national Best of the Best awards each year since 2015, including our top national honors for customer satisfaction in 2016, 17, and again in 2018. Siding and Windows Group is a very good company in every way. When we first reviewed this company years ago, they had scores of 5-star reviews on multiple credible websites. But at Best of the Best, we care most about recent reviews. We know things can change at companies, and things have changed at Siding and Windows Group. Their reviews have actually gotten even better. A lot of that has to do with experience. Siding and Windows Group has been around for a long time. This company opened back in 1984. They focus on very high-quality workmanship done by very high-quality people and no-pressure sales. And it's worked. They do all types of siding, windows, doors, roofing, patios, porches, decks, insulation, and more. They're experts at restoration and historical work, multi-family projects. They work on lots of high-end homes. They've been around for decades, but Siding and Windows Group is not your grandpa's contractor. They are very progressive. They do things others do not. They embrace technology. They have a mobile window showroom. They have an online design center where people can upload photos of their home and see what renovations will look like before any work is done. They treat their installers the right way, sometimes bringing coffee and snacks to the guys on job sites. We love all that. Today, Siding and Windows Group is one of the most positively reviewed and decorated companies of its kind anywhere. The owners, Greg Bednarski and his daughter Bianca, could not be more proud of their close-knit team of people, and our research shows they should be proud. This company has every significant certification and award you can get. This is a James Hardie Elite Preferred Contractor, which is a rare honor reserved for only the best siding contractors in the country. Siding and Windows Group is also a Guild quality company, which we love. It means that Greg and Bianca actually pay an outside firm, Guild, to survey Siding and Windows Group clients. Now think about that. How many contractors do you know who care enough about customer satisfaction to go out and hire an outside firm to survey their own clients? Not many. When we reviewed this company for the second time in 2018, they had an A+ rating from the Better Business Bureau with 0 complaints and had for years. They also had 15 positive reviews on the BBB site. They probably have more by the time you see this video. Now, we almost never see positive reviews on the BBB site. People usually only ever contact the Better Business Bureau to complain about a company, not praise them like they do with Siding and Windows Group. That's significant. This company is also a multiple back-to-back Angie's List Super Service Award winner. They are bestofhouse.com award winners. They've had hundreds of recent 5-star reviews on Guild Quality and several other credible websites. You should read them like we did. Siding and Windows Group offers fantastic warranties and financing options as well. They give back to the community by supporting many worthy causes and have for years. Siding and Windows Group, quality you can trust. Congratulations, everyone. You earned it again.